guys, this is UMK Concept, as you know, and in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to get rid of a background from an image or an object. Yes, that is exactly what I'll be showing you in this video. All you have to do is to keep watching this video, and do not forget, there is certain things you can actually do to keep this channel growing and active. The very first thing you can do is to comment in the comment below, and the second thing is to subscribe. Subscribe. While the third thing is to share this video. If you have done that, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you have this image and you want to get rid of the background easily, probably you want to use it for a YouTube thumbnail, or perhaps you want to use it for your website. So in this video I'm going to be showing you 2 ways to get that done. And the very first way I'll be showing you is making use of a website called remove.bg. As you can see, remove.bg. You can actually make use of this website to get rid of any background from any image. So as you can see, upload image. Just come over to this upload image, click on it. So locate where the image is stored. This is the image. This is my own image over here. Just click on it and wait a couple of minutes. Sorry, did I just say a couple of minutes? No. And wait a couple of seconds to get that done, because this website is actually fast in processing. So wow, can you see? This website is very great in removing a background. See, it is very smooth, very clean, and if there is any other thing to qualify it, I can actually use it. So after this, just come over to the download panel here. As you can see, download. This is another download HD. This download HD is not free, while this download up here is totally free. Just click on the one you choose to use. So but for me, I do use the free one, download. Wow, wonderful. Wow, this is great. I love this. That is the first way. And this second way, we will be making use of a mobile app called Background Eraser. As you can see, Background Eraser. So just come over to the load a photo, click on it, load a photo. So right now we will be erasing a background of an object. Just locate where it is stored. Background, download. I told you that we will be erasing a background of an object. So just crop it. Click on done. So this is the app. These are the tools you use. So the first one is auto tools, the second is magic manual. You can decide to make use of magic tools. Just drag it like this, like drag it and erase it. Drag it. This is magic tools. And you can decide to use the manual tools. But the manual is kind of poor So this is the magic tools. While you can decide to use the auto tools. Can you see? The auto is very great. The auto tools is very great. Wow, wonderful. So you can use magic tools to complete the project. Come over here. Wow, fantastic. And you are done the project. So just save it. And you have totally removed the background. Finish the work and you are good to go.